A cheerful conductor opens a magical classroom where every note sparks a tiny story in the ears of curious children. A shy boy meets a singing comet that teaches him to listen first, then share his favorite sounds with friends. They travel through rainbow tunnels, finding instruments grown from flowers and wind, each producing a different mood and color. When the music stops, the kids realize the most powerful magic is kindness sung aloud to others. Back home, they practice together, turning everyday chores into mini concerts that brighten classrooms and neighborhood streets.